A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant turn of events, the Trump administration announced on Friday that it is restoring the previously terminated legal statuses of hundreds of foreign students who face the threat of deportation. This decision comes as a response to ongoing legal challenges and widespread panic among international students across the United States. The announcement was made during a court hearing presided over by a federal judge in Boston, where the administration is currently facing a lawsuit from students adversely affected by its immigration policies. The administration's actions had previously led to the revocation of legal statuses due to the termination of records from a database that tracks approximately 1.1 million foreign student visa holders. As a result, many students found themselves at risk of deportation, prompting a wave of anxiety within the academic community. This situation has been exacerbated by the Trump administration's hardline stance on immigration, which has seen numerous international students stripped of their rights to study in U.S. universities. According to the Justice Department, Attorney Elizabeth Curlin confirmed in court that immigration officials are now working on a new policy framework to review and potentially terminate visas for international students moving forward. This policy shift follows the filing of over 100 lawsuits by students who were abruptly deprived of their legal rights to education in the U.S. Reports indicate that an estimated 1,800 students and 280 universities have been impacted by these actions. Many of the affected students had previously participated in political protests or had minor criminal charges, such as driving infractions. U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio had previously stated that the administration would terminate the status of individuals whose actions were deemed contrary to U.S. interests. The policy has created an atmosphere of fear and confusion across numerous universities, leading some students to leave the country voluntarily to avoid potential detention or deportation. On Friday, the Justice Department informed the court that records would be restored in the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System (SEVIS), which monitors foreign students' compliance with their visas. However, Immigration and Customs Enforcement (IC) still retains the authority to terminate a SEVIS record under various circumstances. Curlin emphasized that if a student fails to maintain their non-immigrant status after the record is reactivated or engages in unlawful activities, they could still face removal from the United States. Legal representatives for the students have argued that these revocations violate their clients' legal rights, and the looming threat of detention has hindered their ability to pursue their studies. Reports have emerged indicating that many students have seen their records restored in recent days, providing a glimmer of hope amid the uncertainty. Elora Mukherjee, director of the Immigrants' Rights Clinic at Columbia Law School, remarked, "What I'm hearing is that this is a reprieve for many students who have had their status reinstated in SEVIS. But this doesn't mean this ordeal is over for the students who have had their records terminated." Meanwhile, the Justice Department and ICE have not provided immediate comments regarding the ongoing situation. As this story develops, it raises critical questions about the future of immigration policy in the United States and its impact on international students who contribute significantly to the academic landscape. The situation continues to evolve, and many are watching closely as the administration works to establish a new policy framework that could affect the lives of thousands of foreign students in the coming months. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.